Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here, and welcome. Today is actually December 5th, okay, 2020, and it's gonna be Christmas. That's why there's a little um, Christmas bear there, some hats. But I want to do a short video today, and I want to talk about the law of attraction and how to use the formula that's also taught in The Secret: ask, believe, and receive. Okay. Now, for asking is making a definite decision. Also part of um, one of the principles in Think and Grow Rich, right? Now, there's about 12 principles in Think and Grow Rich. Okay. And the ask, believe, and receive makes everything simpler. Okay. Number one, you ask by making a definite decision and seeing a clear picture of it, right? For example, you say, I want a bike. Okay, what kind of bike? A Huffy bike, a mountain bike? Do you know the brand? Is it brand V135? What have you, right? I'm just making it up. Um, okay, a car. Is it a Chevy Avalanche Black 2014? You know, get as specific as you can. Okay. Now, number two, okay, make some notes. Okay, is believe. Now that you've made a decision that you'll get it no matter what, you know the type that you want, right? The type of thing you want, you know clearly how it will look like. That's why it's good to have a picture, right, of the thing that you want. Literally, not just in your mind, but literally having the picture of it. And believing, okay? So you have to believe that you have it, okay? And how do you do that? You make believe. You act like you have it already. You know, you think, feel, talk, act, behave like that person, okay? Just feel like that person. That makes it easy, okay? Just feel like that person. See it, visualize it, and act like that person. Okay, just, okay, I got it. Okay. So this is what I wrote. Emit the feeling frequency of having already received. Okay. So emit the feeling frequency. Okay. When you feel that you received it, you send out a feeling. Yes, I received it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? Be grateful. Right? Gratitude. I'm sure I wrote gratitude here. Be non-resistant. Okay. Being non-resistant is feeling the frequency of having it, right? Because you know you have it. You're not questioning, how do I get it? How do I get it? Or how come it's not coming? You're just grateful. Feeling grateful you received it, okay? You're in the feeling frequency. Okay? You're in the feeling frequency, okay, of already receiving what you want. And when you receive something, you're grateful for it, okay? You should be grateful for it. All right? Be grateful for it, because being grateful, having an attitude of gratitude is a very high vibration, okay? And it also reveals and it shows to the universe that you believe, because you're already grateful for it. A lot of things that I've been grateful for before they happened, like even just small little things that I do on my gratitude list. I do gratitude 3 times a day, and sometimes typically I put something that has not happened yet, and I'm grateful for it. Okay, and those things happen. Okay. Now, some more of the notes on the belief. Be like a child and make believe. As you make believe, you will begin to believe you have received. Okay, as you do it over and over again, you start believing it, and that you already got it. Okay. Now, number 3, receive. Feel good. Again, feel the feelings of having received. Okay. Rhonda Byrne in The Secret, in the book The Secret. Okay, I have her book right here. I was reading it. All right. Says, feel good now. Okay, once you're feeling good, you get into the frequency, okay, of allowing good to come into your life, and which is what you desire, and which is what you've already asked for. Okay, once you made a committed decision, you've asked. Okay, you're not like, oh, maybe I'll change my mind. No, no, no. You made a committed decision. Okay. Yeah. When you feel good, you are on the frequency of receiving. Okay. End quote. I actually quoted that from Rhonda. Okay. And now you gotta go on with your day feeling you've already received, right? And go on with your work of what you're doing, and you're gonna take inspired action. This was inspired action for me, actually. Okay, I said, what am I gonna do today? And I heard, read The Secret. Okay, and then I opened up the page that I was reading yesterday, and it told me my intuition said, do ask, believe, and receive. Okay, and teach people this. It's simple. It's so simple. This might just be like, might just pass right your mind. But watch this over and over and over again. Okay, 3 simple steps. Ask. That means making a definite decision, having a clear image of what you want. Be very specific of what you want. Okay. 2, believe that it's already yours. Feel the feelings of having received it and make believe. Just start acting like you have it, like a child. Make believe. Yes, I got it. Woo! Yeah. You know. That's make believing. Okay. And number 3, receive. How do you feel now that you've received this? Okay, be in the receiving frequency, okay, and you will receive it. Okay, you will receive it. When you feel good, you are on the frequency of receiving, okay, because you're non-resistant, you're not being doubtful, you're not thinking about how, okay. Instead, you're taking inspired action, just like this video, okay. It was inspired action for me, right? And yeah, okay, so I hope you like this one, and thank you. Until next time, bye-bye. To your success.